guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it seems like it's been forever, and in reality it's gonna be 3 weeks that I haven't uploaded, I haven't filmed, I haven't really been doing my makeup. There is a reason for that. Getting emotional, but I've been going through a lot. My family and I have been going through a lot. So a lot of people are gonna be like, what the hell, like why is she explaining everything, or why is she giving, you know, like full details? But I just feel like the ones that truly do follow me and like my looks and, you know, expect my videos, I feel like I owe you guys an explanation. And the other ones that I really don't care, you guys can go ahead and skip through everything and just look at the look that I'm doing for you guys or whatever. Maybe like it's been like 2 weeks already. I had taken my daughter to the doctor. Well, no, I lied. I had taken my son to the doctor. It wasn't even something big. So I just took him to the doctor, you know, so he can go and get checked and see if he could get medication or whatever. So whenever they were done with him, I had asked the nurse, you know, can y'all check my daughter? She had like a little cough and like a runny nose, you know? So I was like, you know, like that way they can give her something, at least for the cough or her throat. So whenever they went to go and check, you know, like her little heart rate, you know how they check like your blood pressure and all that stuff? Well, they went in and checked her heart rate and they couldn't get like no beats, I guess, because her heart was beating too fast. And then they put that little thing, you know, that you guys put, that they put, you know, like on your finger, you know, like I guess to check like your high blood pressure too. And that thing kept going crazy whenever they kept doing it. They did it maybe like about 5 times and it kept going off and off and off. It kept beeping. So I was like, what the hell? Like I started getting scared, you know, so I was like, I don't know. Me as a mom, you know, like I kind of had a feeling something wasn't right. So then the nurse takes us back into the room, and then she calls the doctor. She had told her, you know, like we can't get like, you know, like the numbers like right or whatever. So the doctor tried it or whatever, and it was the same thing. She's like, something's going on, like I'm gonna have to go and schedule her with a cardiologist. And if you guys don't know what a cardiologist is, it is a heart doctor, a specialist for a heart. Like, what the hell, you know, like why? She was like, you know, like her heart's not pumping right, like you can just feel it. And I hadn't noticed, like I don't know, like I just feel like I think I would have noticed, but I didn't. So then, you know, like they started scheduling everything, and while they were out, like I was touching her little heart or her little chest, dude, like you guys can feel it. You guys can, I could feel it, like literally, like you could just hear it. It was like they came back in, and the doctor's like, you know, like if anything, like I'm gonna send you home, but if anything happens or she worsens or whatever, I don't even know if that's a word, but you know, if she gets, I was gonna say better, if she gets worse, to take her to the ER. So I was like, okay. So yeah, I took her home, you know, I had called Javier, I was like telling him everything, and he was like scared too. And I don't know, like throughout the whole day, that happened on a Thursday, throughout that whole day I was just like, I was out of it. Like I remember I had gone to like Walmart and like HEB, and whenever I was driving there, like I remember like I was like dreaming. It was weird. I kind of felt like I was floating. And whenever I had gotten there, like I had called Javier and I was like, what the hell? Like I don't even know like how I got here. Like it just felt like I was floating. And I know it's dangerous now that I think about it, because you know, like I wasn't really aware of what was happening, where I was like in shock, I was scared, because my daughter had always been healthy, nothing, you know, she had never had any complications. She was born, you know, natural, like no problems at all, or my son. So yeah, you know, like that night, my brother and Javier had, you know, like we were talking, we were having dinner, and Javier had told my brother, like, feel her heart, you know, like I guess to see if we were like over exaggerating. And my brother felt it, and he's like, oh my god, you know, like y'all should take it to the ER, because you can literally feel it. We live like a little further outside of San Antonio. It's probably like a 20-minute drive with traffic, maybe like a 25-minute drive, which now that I got used to living in the city, or like, well, I used to live in San Antonio, you know, I got used to like going, you know, like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, 45 minutes, and it's not far for me. That night, I remember I was like exhausted, like mentally and physically exhausted. And I was like, no, like, you know, I'm just gonna like, you know, just like keep an eye night, like me and Javier like kept waking up, we kept checking her, like if she was breathing, like it was a horrible night. The next day came, like everybody left, like they went to school, my husband went to work, and I stayed here. I remember I was like about to film my makeup here in my makeup room, and I remember she came like up to me and she's like, Mom, I feel like there's a hand like on my heart. So I was like, what? So I felt her heart and it was going like super fast again. So I was like, hell no, like I need to take her. I need to take her to the ER. So I called Javier and you know, Javier got off work. Like we both went together to the ER. While she was there, like they were like, you know, checking her heart, and she did have it, like it was really the dude, I can't talk because these freaking retainers. But oh yeah, sorry, I did get my braces off, so that's why if you guys hear me talk like a little dumb, it's because my retainers, like I can't really get used to them just yet, but I'm sure y'all can understand me. But anywho, whenever they had checked her there at the ER, they were like, oh my god, like her heartbeat, you know, it's pretty high. So yeah, they took her in the room or whatever, and we were there for maybe like 3 hours. So the nurse came, and then the doctor came. There was like maybe like about 3 nurses and the doctor. They were all in there, and they were like gonna see if like some medicine would like kind of slow it down, the heartbeat. And I was so scared. I remember I was super scared. And they were like, you know, like it's gonna stop her. Like if it works, it's gonna make her heart stop for maybe like 30 seconds. I was like, oh my god, like I was so scared. I remember I kept praying and I was crying. Okay, so the first time they did it, and it was super scary because they all had to like interact with each other and do like everything at the same time. So I don't know, I was like super scared. So then they did it, they counted to 3, and at 3 they opened the medicine like into her. It was crazy. I don't know how to explain, but it was crazy. So I remember her looking at me, and whenever she looked at me, it was so weird. Me and Javier had seen that she couldn't, like she had to stop breathing like for a few seconds. Like she couldn't like catch her breath, and I just remember seeing like her little chest like going up and down like really crazy. Sorry, it's hard. But I remember seeing her eyes, and she was like looking at me like telling me like help me, you know. It was ugly, it was scary. So then that went away like super fast, but I don't know, like during that time it seemed like it was, you know, like forever. And after that they were like, okay, we're gonna try it again. So I was like, oh my god, like I remember I was freaking out. Like I remember I just wanted to run out of the room and not say anything. Like I was so scared for her life. And tried it again, and the second time nothing happened to her. So they were like, no, like her heart's not like stopping, like it's like beating too fast. And then the doctor was like, you know, like she could go into cardiac arrest, whatever, you know, like I guess where your heart's beating like too fast, and then all of a sudden it'll just like stop beating. Pretty much like you'll just die out of nowhere, like because your heart's like beating too fast. And the doctor, I remember the doctor told me and Javier, that's a really good thing that you guys brought her in today. Her normal doctor had scheduled her a cardiologist appointment, but it wasn't going to be until the following Wednesday, which was like, that happened Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, like 5 days away. So I was like, oh my god, you know. I was like thinking in my head, like imagine if we would have waited like till Wednesday, because you know, like the doctor said, you know, like I'm gonna schedule her, that's the only opening that they have. It's just scary to go through and think about like what could have happened. They're like, we're gonna try another kind of medicine, and that medicine that she's on right now still is for like adults. And whenever they were telling us that, I was like thinking, oh hell no, like no, like I don't know, like all these bad thoughts come into your mind, or they start like messing with your head, and you start thinking like the worst. And I was like, oh my god, like how about if it makes her heart stop, or she's allergic to it or something. And the doctor comes back, and he, you know, injected her again, and it was still going high, and he's like, we're gonna have to put her in the ICU because, you know, like we don't know like how she's gonna react to this. And I was like, oh my god. So normally, you know, like in the ICU, it's where like you're like really sick and it's like life-threatening. So then I called my mom crying and I was telling, but before that I had talked to my mom and you know, she was like telling me like, no, it's probably just because she's sick. But me as a mom, like in my heart, I felt it wasn't right. Like I knew it wasn't because of her cough. Like she's been sick other times and you know, like she's never gone like that. Like I think I would have noticed. And then this other nurse came and she took us, you know, she was taking us upstairs where they were gonna admit her to. And whenever we were like on the elevator, like I kept seeing her little monitor, like her heart monitor, and it was going down and going down like to a normal heart rate. So whenever I started seeing that, I was like, oh my god, like I started feeling like a little better. So they took a test, they did a sonogram. Is it sonogram? Sonograph? I don't know, sonogram, you know, like whenever you're pregnant. The next day, the cardiologist came like around 11:30. And she was really, really nice. She made me feel comfortable. But she did say that they did find some white spots on her heart. 3 little white spots in her heart. So she wanted to go ahead and do an MRI, but they couldn't do it there at that hospital. But she's like, after you guys get like released, discharged, she's like, then you can go ahead and you know, schedule that MRI. So that's been maybe like a week and a half now that happened already. I'm like still trying like to get her in. But right now she's in that medication. She's on that medication still. That medication is like strictly like for your heart. So it's every 3 to 6 hours. It was 3 hours, but then now they're doing 6 hours. But I can't miss like giving her that medication, and I can't like just like take her off completely, because I guess that medicine is so strong that if we just take her off like that or we forget, like she could like have a heart attack or something. So you know, I'm like, I don't know, I was telling Javier, like, I don't know if you guys knew, but I was pregnant. I did have a miscarriage not that long ago. I was telling Javier, I was like, I don't know, whenever that happened, my hormones were like, I don't know, they were like up and down, and I was just like so depressed. I don't know. But now I see why God does things. Like I tell Javier right now, it seems like we have a newborn. Like I'm just like waking up, you know. It was every 3 hours, now it's every 6 hours. And I tell Javier, you know, like everything happens for a reason. Like God makes everything happen for a reason, and now I understand why. You know, like I just think that it was just gonna be too much for me right now. Imagine like me being pregnant right now and going through something like this, and I don't know, but that's the main big reason that I haven't been on here filming, doing makeup. And I tell my mom, I tell everybody, like I miss filming, I miss doing my makeup. Like that's my passion. No matter what, I tell Javier, this is like a big life-changing experience for us. Like our life is never gonna be the same, no matter what, because you know, like I don't know, they don't know if she's gonna keep being on that medicine. Like the doctor said that she could be on it for life. What's been helping us a lot, like feel like more calm, you know, kind of try to like go back to our normal routines, is doing the rosary every night. I don't know, it's been making us feel really, really good. Every night we've been doing the rosary for her and for everything, you know. But anyway, I know it was like a long story and all these details, but I just want to let you guys know like why I haven't, you know, been active, so much active like on my social media. So yeah, so there's a little bit of an update in my life, what's been going on, everything that we've been going through. But anywho, enough of that. Okay, so I am gonna be doing a big giveaway. It's one of my biggest giveaways that I've ever done. I haven't decided if I am gonna do just one giveaway or 2 giveaways, but for sure they are my biggest giveaways that I've ever done. Probably on my next video I am gonna be announcing what I am gonna give away. Like I said, I do have to go first check if they still have the items that I am gonna give away. But if they do, I will announce it on my next video. And yeah, and if you guys are interested in knowing how I created this look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Okay, so the first palette that I am going to use is going to be the Lashaholics palette, Create Your Own Sunshine palette. And I am going to take this dark blue. And I'm going in with the R30 from Morphe. All you want to do is start patting inside your crease. Then you do want to start blending the outer edge. This one's from ColourPop and this one's in the shade Valley Girl. Okay, so I am going to apply a little bit of glitter on top of that, and I'm going in with this one from NYX Cosmetics. The name for this little palette is Peppermint. Look how pigmented it is. I don't know if you guys can see, but... look how pretty. For some reason, I don't know why my camera has been doing this a lot lately, but it hasn't been like saving my videos that I have been recording. So like it didn't save the video where I did my face or like where I bronzed up or what I did to my lower lash line, which sucks. And I would go ahead and refilm it again, but it's just gonna keep doing the same thing. It's not gonna save the video. So I'm just gonna go ahead and explain to you guys everything that I did. I primed my face, as you guys know, of course, you have to prime your face. Then I went in with the Wet n Wild Cream Beige foundation. And then I was explaining to you guys that lately I haven't been really like highlighting down my T-zone or on my chin. The only thing that I do highlight and conceal is my under eye. And then I haven't really been contouring as well. I think it's been saving me a lot of time not contouring and highlighting my whole face. Unless I do have like, you know, like a fiesta to go to or somewhere that I know that I'm gonna last like with my makeup all day, then I will. But other than that, I'll just go ahead and, you know, conceal and highlight under my eyes and then just bronze up. And then for my concealers, I did use both of these together. I used to use the Glamoflauge a lot at the very beginning. Whenever I started doing my videos, and I forgot how much I loved it. Like, I love how it makes my under eyes look. I love how it makes it look so smooth. The only thing is that it is a little bit oily, so if you are already like oily from your face, I wouldn't recommend this concealer. But other than that, it's really, really good. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope you guys really enjoyed this look as much as I did. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to before you guys do exit this video and hit the little bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. That way you guys can be up to date with the giveaway